So here they are given forelimbs of cat, lizard, which are used in walking, forelimbs of whale, which are used in swimming, then forelimbs of bats, which are used for playing. All these are performing the locomotion, but they are structurally different. According to the media or according to the environment where it lives, it performs the different function, either it is a walking or a swimming or playing, like that. But they are the example of what? That is the question. So whether it is they are called as analogous organs, adaptive radiation, homologous organs, or convergent evolution. So to choose the correct answer, we have to know about the each and every word. For example, if you take the analogous organ, what do you mean by the analogous organ? Analogous organs are those organs that have a different basic structure but perform the same function. So basically they are different. For example, if you take the wing of an insect and wing of a bird, both are helpful for flying, but structurally they are entirely different. The embryological origin are also different between these two. So such organs are known as the analogous organs, which are basically different but performing the same function. It is the analogous organs. So it is not suitable for this because they are performing the different functions. So it is not suitable answer. Then if you take the adaptive radiation, what do you mean by adaptive? Adaptive radiation is one of the important phenomena in evolution for the formation of the new species from a common ancestor. From the common ancestor, when it is divided into different groups, each group occupies a different area or a different environment. And according to that environment, new environment, they got certain characters or they develop certain characters to suit that new environment, so that all the four groups or different groups that are formed from the common group, they are different from each other, and this process is known as the adaptive radiation. So this adaptive radiation is also not related to this question. Then if you come for the homologous organ, what do you mean by the homologous organ? Homologous organ are those which are having the basic structure is similar, but functionally they are different. That is what we can give here. The homologous organ, you can take a frog forelimb, lizard forelimb, then bird forelimb, then man, cat, whale, and etc. In all these things, they have got the basic structure. All are having the similar in their basic pattern. That is, they have got the humerus, radius, ulna, carpels, and then digits. So but the functionally, the forelimbs of all these organisms, functionally they are different. For example, if you take the frog, it helps for jumping. If you take the lizard, it helps for the crawling. If a bird, it helps for playing. If you take the forelimb of the whale, it helps for the swimming. So there is no related from the functionally they are not related, but basic structure of all these things are similar. So this kind of the organs, we will call it as the homologous organs. So the forelimbs of cat, lizard, and then forelimbs of whale, and then bat are all having the basic pattern, but they are performing different function. So they are the best examples for the homologous organs. That is the correct answer. Convergent evolution is a different one. That is, organism from different environment, but then come to a same environment, they possess the similar character. that kind of evolution we call it as the convergent evolution. So this is not related to this question. So the correct answer is C, homologous organs.